Okay, guys, so this is my village life. I decided to travel to my village to see my parent, my grandparent. So this is Gary. I'm making Gary. This is the food that they gave me. Native chicken. I love native chicken. And this is my father's grave. Yeah, this is my father's grave. This is my grandfather. He's still alive. I brought him some goodies he was holding, and me here in his tent with some little kids. This is how I was when I was a small boy, you know. So, this is my father. One of the gave birth to twins. It was a blessing. And say somebody that has twins. We were just happy talking, and my grandfather. Okay, but them prayers upon my. So because he don't understand my language, so that's why I'm trying to narrate everything to you so that you understand what's happening. I want to say this, my sisters and they just finished eating and prepared this starch. Yeah, I think this is what they prepared. They just finished eating. So I talked to them. I was talking to my mother. She was asking me about my child. So I was telling the name of the child, and those little babies, they were just there playing. You know, village life is sweet. I love village life. So after that, I gave the mother something to just take it, and then I went to see where my brothers were playing ball, and we caught this in our language. It said, this ball. They will gather some sack and then tie it together and make it to look like a ball. So this is what we have here. And my brother was playing. Imagine all those grown-up boys playing with those little boys. And it was fun. I spent some time with them, tried to watch the football, and I was enjoying myself here. I know you two are enjoying yourself. So, football is a game that is everywhere. Everybody likes playing football, even in villages, and everybody loves football, I guess so. And you see, they were just playing, and I was just watching, recording them, and he tried to score, but the goalkeeper was too good, so he couldn't score the goal. So they were still playing. Imagine those little boys playing with those grown-up people, and they were playing well. If you look at the game, they were playing well, and those little boys, they were doing a great job. I think I love the everything about the football. And when they were playing, I was still watching, and it was nice. Yeah, he tried to score anyway. He scored. Yeah, he scored a great day. And that was awesome. Everybody was happy. And the one guy even came to do somersault. Where is the ball? Look at it. What he did. He was celebrating the goal. Can you imagine? Look at what they were doing. They were just celebrating the goal. You know. So it just means spending time in my village. This is where I was born. I was like some of those guys here. So sometimes you don't need to forget your root, where you're coming from. That was why I have to go. And this is where they were preparing red oil. And what they were preparing here was just for them to eat it, not selling it. I was thinking that maybe they wanted to sell it so that I would buy, but they said just to eat. It was nice to see this kind of thing again. You know, sometimes when we were here, they prepare something like this. We pack some of the starch, and then we use it to eat yam with it. We use it to eat yam with it. So we're just talking this thing as family member. This is palm kernel, palm oil, and everybody was happy. Life in the village is so simple. And after that, we discussed, and I left, and I was going to where my mother's grave, just to go see the grave. And then
This is my mother's
this
grave.
is my mother's grave. It's been long we visited, so it was bushy. So this is my mother's grave, and I watched and I went there, and that was me going there to sit down and just to have a rest there. Yeah. So after that I left where they were making gari, and you see this is gari or this gari that we eat. This is maybe cassava. I don't know if you eat gari in your place, but this is gari. I'll show you where they were frying the gari. This is the process. So when you come to the village, you see so many things, a lot. And it's nice to visit the village. When you come to the village, you see so many good things. And village is always peaceful. It's always peaceful. And I was talking to them, and the longer I there, so some people have been there for almost like 10 to 20 years. So before I'll remember their names. So we're just talking and then gisting. I was just here, everybody. So after looking at the gari, funny enough, I did not test it. My mind was not there, so I passed. And this is my father's grave. This is where my father was buried, and he's looking old because since 2006, it's been a long time. It's been so that fresh wow. Eat when you come to village. Stuff like this, so that we remember the childhood and where we come from. We call it so we're just having this chat and making everybody happy. And I went to see my mother, and they prepared this delicious chicken, native chicken with akpu and with some vegetable, and I enjoy myself. Thank you for watching.